This is Amber and Gary.
Hi.
We're going to take apart a power glide. We don't know anything about power glides, but we thought that you would enjoy seeing one come apart. We would have pressure washed this beast, but it's 23 degrees out and I don't like to take my pressure washer out in 23 degrees.
I am not going to have fun with this. It finally came
Well,
off.
here, I'll give you.
Yeah.
You need more power.
Yep. Sure do. Yeah.
Oops, wrong one. In the wrong drawer.
What about the DeWalt?
This is a little longer, gives you better leverage. Do you know what power glide means in Latin language?
I'm curious. What does it mean?
Transmission. If we show this at a meeting, we'll have Fran tell you about all the parts that are inside of it. I've never rebuilt one because over the years I've been fortunate in having a pretty good backlog of power glides, and the power glide being the toughest automatic transmission in the world doesn't go bad very much. My convertible has the original transmission, never been rebuilt other than changing fluid and cleaning out the pan. They're a tough transmission. You can get one in a brand new Camaro if you order one.
He's here.
Which is pretty unusual.
He's here.
He's here?
Yep.
Where's his car?
Gary will be right there.
Okay. Did you park in front? Okay, I gotta go now.
Take your time.
Alright, let's just take the pan off. Get that much of it away.
Might as well just leave it this way. Hey.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna go tap this thing, see if I can get it.
Alright.
Take it apart. Okay. 1/2 inch on everything. Just take all of those off.
Got it. Alright. How do you get this one off?
Just pull it.
Alright, sure. Huh. I'm pulling. Here, let's move it back. Move it back. There you go.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Well, get all the bolts out.
I'm showing the camera. Silly.
Hello. Hi.
I don't think that'll work.
You good? Yeah. Yeah, they're here about 8 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there was room. No. That's 7/16.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Just can't get it on there.
Well, everything went off fine and it's fine, and I'll help him move it if he's got to move it. So. No, it'll work fine just the way it is. Yeah, there was. They just put it right next to it. I'll help him. I don't know. I gotta go, honey. I'm right in the middle of something here. Okay, bye. All right, what do we got here? Okay, get a 5/16. We're gonna take that out right there. Just a wrench. Yeah. Okay. This is the throttle body here. Here's what the other side looks like. A lot of rust in there. You don't. Let's see.
I don't think that one needs to come off.
Well,
Yeah, because that's just that. Maybe I'll slide out.
okay, this sometimes gets pinched a little bit where it doesn't want to come off. I'd like to get this out of here. Here. Well, yeah, go ahead and take that off. We use a box end.
I would, but it's tight. Hold on. Go ahead.
Oh, boy, that is a tough one.
Hold on.
Oh, well, we don't really have to take that off because, see, it's loose here. This is the culprit here that I want to get off.
Hold on, let me hold it.
See, sometimes these get pinched.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's coming. Hello? Corey's not there, is he?
No.
No. No. Bye. Got it out. Good. All right, here's a real source of leaks. No matter what you do, is this is going through here, this O-ring here, let's see if I can, there's an O-ring right there. You might not see it too well, just looks like a black band, and that is a big source of leaks with the Corvair, and everybody thinks it's coming from the pan, but the problem is it's so close to the pan, as it drips down, it looks like it's coming from the pan. And because this is a little hard to take out, as you have seen, you got to take all that stuff off to get this out. Well, after 60 years, this O-ring is as hard as a rock, and even when you put in a new O-ring, it's kind of real touchy as to what kind of O-ring you use, if it's a little too big or a little too small. If it's too big, it kind of cuts it as you're putting it in. Okay, we're having trouble getting this out. Got a pliers here?
Those are regular.
Huh? Regular. Oh. Not supposed to come out, but it's rusted in place. And this is supposed to come off, and it doesn't want to come off. Ooh, I got it off. Take that and stick it with it. Okay, now this, if it was, these come out pretty easy too, but this one's kind of in place. Okay, what else can we get out of this puppy? Okay, let's turn it over. Okay, you can take this off. Looks like a 3/4.
3/4.
Huh?
3/4.
Yeah, socket.
Okay.
Or red.
Gotta get past all the grime to see it.
Why? All you gotta see is the outer edge.
I like to see pretty things. You got it?
Well, see. I don't know if it's 3/4. Is that too big?
Yep. Seems like it.
Too
Hold
big.
on. Too dirty. Told you, I can't tell because all this gunk on here.
Yeah, it's 3/4.
Okay.
That's not 3/4. Ooh, shouldn't even feel like this. I'll get a 3/4 wrench there. Oh. I don't think I moved it at all. I guess we're going to have to get some more junk out of there, because we're going to have to use the box end.
Go ahead. Give it a tickle.
There it's moving.
Mm-hmm. Second. I landed right in the bucket.
All right, get it out. Show them how it looks.
Hold on. That's a perfect fit.
That's what the backside looks like. There's a big O-ring here. See if you can see the O-ring in the shot there.
No, where's the O-ring? Oh, there it is.
Right there. It's a great big ass O-ring.
Yep.
We're getting a flashback from the sun here. Let's see, we want to spread it. Okay, let's see, we gotta go. I'm gonna turn this somehow. Come on, I paid a lot of money for this, it better work. Why isn't it going over? There we go. Okay, you do it. Get those in the holes, and if they're not, if they're too, if that thing is too big, I got different things to stick in there. I'll see if I can find them. other ones in a safe place.
Got it.
Did you get it?
Yep.
I'm gonna make sure I can find that little packet with the different sizes in there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where they are. The little red packet.
Yeah. It's in one of the drawers.
I actually saw one of these busted off right here. Doesn't happen very often, the only one I've ever seen. But that's a shaft. There. Ooh, this will move back now. That's good. If I ever get this out.
Just hit it and maybe I'll come forward.
Still doesn't want to come out. Let me get my piece out. There. Now, I wonder. Put that hook in there and see what happens.
Okay.
Let me out! I'm stuck in your pocket.
Anything happening?
I can't tell. Grease went all over me.
Huh?
I can't tell. Grease was all over, going all over me. Or whatever. Oil. Rusty crap. Oh, here. I'll pound on it. You want.
Alright.
Okay, here. You take my seat. Hold it.
What are we doing here? Let's get this like this.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
See?
Got my neck garage door all full of stuff.
Told you. Anything? Anything?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Here, Chisel. Here, Chisel. Here. Jesus.
What were you saying about air chisel?
Well, this is some kind of gear. Another gear with a flux capacitor. Probably a reverse. This is stuff we busted off. This is well, that's what it is.
Well, that's interesting.
Those are bands.
Here.
Those are clutch bands. And this adjusts the clutch bands on that deal that we took off here. That makes those in or out. Grabs them. And then your clutch pack sits in here. Okay. This is your, I don't know what the hell it is. There's the clutch packs in there. Other than being kind of rusty, everything actually looks pretty good except for the part that we busted. Here's this snap ring I was talking about that I thought we were going to be fighting.
Yeah.
But what that looks like. Hey, see that?
See, we're gonna be fighting that one. Look how that ring is.
No. Just pull it out.
Go ahead.
Well, where's that hook? Probably some snap ring we're missing. Yeah, hit it on that spline on, don't stick it through.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute. This is loose, isn't it? Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
I know.
Look at that. Those gears. Yeah. They turn. That's cute. That's cute. Frank can tell you what that is. I suppose I could have looked in the manual and tried to act like a smart guy, but...
Here you go.
Alright, this is another piece. A lot of stuff in a power glide. Yet it's the simplest transmission around. Got a lot of rust though. Yeah, it looks like some kind of air chisel.
You want the other one?
Yeah. brake track.
Give me the hook.
There you go. Big, big. Look at that, big. Alright, now this will probably come out.
Mm.
Okay. There's some stuff there for you. Different stuff. Clutch parts.